I'm saying? You gotta cut the mug up here, man. This thing just came up here, just got up here. This is big boy too, boy. This mug here so big. Cut yourself. Hey, man. Hey, I told him now.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. Got shot jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
All gas, no brakes, man. Mad Mars car, man. I see what's going on behind me, man. Trailblazer wide open. You feel that thing wide open, man. You feel me? They see what's going on. Man, come on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I told him, man, all gas, no brakes. All bills must be done. I told him now. Get out of there. Well, right here going in here now. Come on now. We're in too. I played no game, man. I told him, man, all bills must be complete, man. S6 is loaded, my boy. S6 is loaded. Load them on up, baby. Yeah, man. Fleet almost, man. This thing here, bro. Y'all been tuning in to my channel, man. I don't even remember how many years ago I bought this truck from my uncle, man, with the plans on turning to the S7, man. You know what I'm saying? I just been upgraded as I've been going, man. You know what I'm saying? Staying focused. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep the vision. Man, look, man. This thing, I ain't gonna. I say put the S7 badge on there to the 6O in there. You feel me? And I got the 6O and everything, man. And I waited. That's what I'm saying. Patience is the key, man. I waited, bro. Man, you gotta cut the mug up here, man. This thing just came up here, just got up here. This is big boy too, boy. This mug here so big. Cut yourself. Oh, these things so big inside like that, man. This thing huge. All original too. Man, this thing was so big inside, boy. But they gotta have AC. You ain't got AC. It's gonna be so hot in here. Look at that bit, boy. No, they gotta be a 350, bro. That big ass car, bro. It gotta be. It can't be no V6. That car too big. This thing got AC and everything. Man, this thing here. I ain't know these things so big like that. These things is big, bro. Like, you didn't see the seats in there? The seats is so wide. Like, those seats is huge. Look. Man, those seats is huge. Good God. So, okay, this is Trailer Black put all his stuff on, some stuff. I get all this stuff thrown away, though. Cause he take care of stuff better than this, so this stuff gotta be trash. You know, engines and stuff is on horse. Engines on the horse. He probably about to redo that. Yeah, he probably about to redo that. 9 times out of 10 knowing him. But man, let it be, man. But 9 times out of 10 knowing him, he about to knock that. You know, so he gonna rebuild that engine over there probably. Man, that thing is huge, man. Automobile, man. I waited, bro. Like, man, I could have been got a 6.0 for me. I could have been just bought a 6.0. Nah, I wanted the 6.0 that come out of the S6 Trailblazer. You know what I'm saying? That's how I know it's the real S6. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could have went 5.3. A lot of people guess I could have went 5.3, canned up and everything. Nah, man, we gotta go 6.0, bro. Trailblazer S6 got a 6.0 in it. You feel me? Gotta go 6.0. You feel me? I ain't no finding a Rick Trailblazer. You know what I'm saying? The engine still good, ain't touched nothing. None was touched in that truck yet. So that was a blessing for my boy Tay. You know what I'm saying? My boy Tay called and told me, man, look, man, I got a trailblazer on here for sale right now. It's it. Man, I pulled up, man. I got the video too, man. I got the video. I pulled up. Man, the engine still in there. It was running and everything. Now let me get that up out of there, man. So the engine runs. Unlike if I would have bought it from somebody else, I would never heard the engine run. You feel me? The engine runs. So shit, 2 birds, 1 stone with that. Got the tires, rims. Put them on there the same day. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Man, that thing was crazy. Wait, I painted and all that, man. I get on SS and now you did. For real, man. Y'all stay tuned in, man. March Fun, man. I'm keep dropping them bangers. Everybody who know about these blazers, man, especially the SS blazers, man, y'all know what it is with these, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it. Man, I'm thinking about it. Bro, my daughter iPhone is in here today. That's why I love these folk, man. I want to be still in here. Man, come on, man. That's going with me here. That's supposed to be sitting this out of my daughter. But y'all see, man, it said bumping all that in here, man. You feel me? Man, no game. You get Bill, gotta get all the way done, man. All gas, no brakes, man. Mad Mark's car, man. I see what's going on behind me, man. Trailblazer wide open. You feel that thing wide open, man? You feel me? You see what's going on? Man, come on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I told him, man, all gas, no brake. All bills must be done. I'm not stopping. I just bought another car, too. You feel me? This is a little dipper. This is not an old school. I bought me a little dipper to ride. Man. Come on, man. But I always say, man, patience is key, man. You feel manifestation, prosperity, man. All gas, no break, man. I can't say it enough, man. Mad Mark's cars, man. Y'all see what I'm saying, man. Now, y'all know this one came out the blazer. Yeah. Get over here. They got so much stuff. Y'all, that big boy. That big boy that's going down, boy. That big boy going. You see that right in? Come on, man. Tell them stop playing with your boy, man. All gas, no break, man. They call me All Gas, No Break More. This is my new name, man. All Gas, No Break More, man. You feel me? They don't put those flat cap rallies on the Malibu Classic. They don't put those flat caps on here. I said, man, they think they call man ugly, but it's fan, man. That thing run. He got in there. His brother won't sell me this, man. I've been trying to buy it except for his brother. Brother won't want to sell it to me, man. Man, I've been trying to get this car, man. He don't want to sell it to me. He don't want to sell it to me. I don't want this car so bad. Oh, boy, that thing got a spider. He don't want to sell it to me, man. That flow shifter. The flow has been done on here. You feel me? New seats come out of something new. T-top them. He don't want to sell it to a kid though, man. He don't want to keep it P with me, man. He don't want to keep it P, man. I want to buy that thing, man. Get all. I want all of them, man. We did more all car, man. We want all. Man. Bro, again, man, this thing gonna be so nasty, man. Y'all stay tuned in, dog. Good. You got some more little go to Goldie.